and welcome children. This is your Ruth Miss from SK Public CBSE School, Phuket. Yes children, today is Thursday and which month is this? This is September, right? And the date is 2. Okay, Thursday, you're finishing this week and you're entering nearer to Ganesh Chaturthi, right children? You all enjoy Ganesh Chaturthi because mommy prepares different types of sweets, dishes. You enjoy blowing the crackers, dancing. Yes, very good. But see that you be safe. Okay? Yes. Now we'll begin today's day with Gayatri Mantra. All join your hands and close your eyes. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. We'll repeat the Lord's Prayer. Bless us, Lord, throughout this day, while at school, at home, at play. Help us to love and not to hate. Bless our country, our people, our state. Yes, open your eyes. Okay, children, what shall we do? Yes, we will do the action. Okay? Yes. Who go like this on the sky? Yes, birds. Not only crow, you can say any bird's name. So all the birds fly in the sky. Yes, parrot, sparrow, pigeon, and eagle. Peacock flies. No, it cannot fly high. Hen does it fly? No, it also cannot fly. Okay. Now, who does this roaring? Yes, lion. Lion is the king of jungle, right? Next. Who comes? Yes, small cat comes to your house saying meow, meow. Then bow, bow. Yes, your pet dog will be out. If any stranger comes, the dog barks at them. And if the stranger doesn't listen, it goes and bites them, right? Yes, so bow, bow. Next, quack, 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 quack. Who does this sound? Duck. Duck does quack, quack sound and it sails on the water. Yes. Next, cuckoo, quack, quack. Who does this? Morning cock. But now you can't hear those sounds, right children? Of the cock. Does it? No. Only your mobile alarm will make you to get up, right? Okay. Now children, this was the sounds of animals and birds. Now I have come today with the new rhyme for you all. That is in your rhyme book. Now yesterday it rained very heavily, right? So I am going to sing the song or the rhyme on the rain. You all, when it rains, what do you do children? You stand in the house at the window and watch the rain, right? So on that I am going to say this rhyme. Okay? You all will say with me. So the rhyme heading is little drops of rain. Okay? So you are asking the rain. Oh you little drops of rain. Oh you little drops of rain. Why do you come? How it sounds? Pitter patter. Yes? Oh you little drops of rain, pitter patter, down the window pane. You won't let me walk, you won't let me play. You won't let me go out at all today. You are telling that way. Okay, so we'll sing this. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, down the window pane. You won't let me go, you won't let me play. You won't let me go out at all today. So if it is raining, Mummy will tell don't go out. So it will not let you to go out. So once again, oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, down the window pane. You won't let me play, you won't let me go out. You won't let me go out at all today. Yes, children, it was nice? Okay, now today we will start writing work in the notebook. In the previous class, which letter did you write? You had finished N-O-P. Today we will write Q-R-S. Okay? You have to write in the notebook. So first you have to write the date. Today's date is 2 and month is 9. That is September 2021. Okay, very good. So first letter, what we are going to write is Q. Make a circle. S. This is a circle. Make a slant line. And just make one more small circle. S. This is capital Q, small q. Next, R. Standing line. And a curve. This is P. Now you take a small slant line. R. Capital R. Then small r. R. Okay. Next is S. S. Small s. Q for queen. Q for Q. R for rose. R for rat. S for sun. S for ship.